Assalamualaikum and very good day to everyone. My name is Muhammad Haziq Hanis bin Abdul Talib and I am from 6BMA2. So today I would like to talk about microeconomics benefits of drones in Malaysia. But first, I will talk about the history of drones. In 1898, Nikola Tesla operates a radio control boat for the first time in a New York pond. And then, in 1916, Britain's air target and RC craft used for target practice is built. In 1935, the term drone is inspired by the VH Queen B military RC plane. Next, in 1996, the famous Predator US drone is created and later used in Afghanistan missions. In 2016, first industrial drones is used by corporations to inspect pipelines and spray pesticides on farms. In 2013, CEO Amazon Jeff Bezos announced that the company considered using drones as a delivery method. In 2016, EHang releases world's first self-driving passenger drones. In 2019, the FAA requires registration for drones over 550 grams. DJI releases the Mavic Mini. And now, in early 2020, drones are widely used in the COVID pandemic for the first aid. So next, I will talk about current issues of drones in Malaysia. The risks and security issues about commercial drones operations. Since the majority of commercial drone systems interact with their base using encrypted communication channels, they can become vulnerable to exploitation by a cyber criminal who can intercept and have access to sensitive data during exchange with the base, such as pictures, videos, and flight paths. Next, CAAM stated that drones are allowed in Malaysia related to CAAM regulations, but they need to have permit to fly the drones. For the future analytic drones, opening a new doors with drones technology. Malaysia government agencies such as MIDEC have designed and implemented several initiatives to fast-track growth of the country's drone tech industry, and high-potential companies such as Drone Tech Testbed Initiative and collaboration with the World Economic Forum. It will help high-potential Malaysian tech companies to scale up regionally and globally. Also, they strongly encourage entrepreneurs and local SMEs to explore emerging opportunities and technology application for industries such as agriculture, construction, energy, infrastructure, and public safety. Next, I will talk about the benefits. Across a multitude of industries, experts are finding new ways to use drones to improve business outcomes and reduce costs. Drones are expected to completely transform the agriculture industry. Imagine a full autonomous system with drones regularly collecting data on pests and weed infestation, water resources, and potential erosion risks. For logistics and delivery, integrating drones into the sector could mean almost instantaneous deliveries, as air travel beats waving through heavy urban traffic. Better deliveries also mean less congestion and pollution. For economic relation, the impact of highly advanced Malaysian drones economy also goes beyond the industry benefits. From a microeconomic perspective, a bustling drone industry would create a wealth of new jobs and attract highly skilled talents to the country, such as flight path navigators, software developers, safety and maintenance engineers, and network and connectivity specialists. As industries find new cost efficiency through novel drone applications, these savings can be funneled into R&D to build better products or to offer more competitive prices. Ultimately, it will benefiting all Malaysians and their people. I think it's all for me. Thank you, and I hope this video will encourage you to participate in the drone technologies. Assalamualaikum and have a nice day.